Hi, I'm Tarun Desikan from Banyan Security, and we provide a zero trust remote access solution for the enterprise. Banyan Security provides a zero trust remote access solution. And what we mean by that is you no longer need to use traditional network access tools such as VPNs and bastions. These traditional network access tools were designed for a world where the entire workforce was in the office and all your applications were hosted on-premise. The world has changed. Today, more and more applications are hosted in the cloud, and especially given the pandemic, more and more of your workforce is remote. The security model needs to change. And that's where Zero Trust Security comes in, and that's where Banyan comes in. Banyan helps enterprises transition to a zero trust architecture. And we do this in three ways. The first is we have a very easy self-serve cloud-based platform that you can deploy yourself and be up and running in less than 5 minutes. The second is that we have a unique way to give IT administrators visibility into what their users and devices are actually accessing. Using that visibility, administrators can create the zero trust policies they need. And finally, we have a unique zero trust continuous authorization mechanism, which allows security policies to be implemented in real time. So if a device falls out of compliance or a user is tagged malicious, their access is instantaneously revoked. Using these three techniques, Banyan is able to help enterprises roll out zero trust faster than ever before. One of the key principles behind zero trust is that all access is based on user identity. Banyan integrates with Microsoft Azure Active Directory to establish user identity and user trust. Specifically, Banyan integrates with multi-factor authentication as well as conditional access so that a simple policy framework can be used to grant users access into their resources. Users themselves can authenticate using the single sign-on portal they're accustomed to, as well as MFA tools that they normally use. From the administrator perspective, you write policies based on your Azure AD groups and entitlements. So you can now provide a simple access policy framework to grant access into all your resources. Banyan is also a member of the Secure Hybrid Access program. So this means you can provide a simple single pane of glass access into all your resources across all the different hybrid environments in which they run. Banyan also integrates with other Microsoft tooling on the endpoint side, including Microsoft Defender for Endpoint and Microsoft Endpoint Manager. Banyan is able to incorporate device signals from these endpoint tools and use them in a zero trust authorization decision. You can get started really easy on your zero trust journey with Banyan Security. We price per user, so you only pay for what you consume, and there are really no installation requirements as such. Just go to our website, click on a button, sign up for an organization, and you're ready to go. So let's get going.